In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to use AI Flow Chat for Twitter growth. We'll start with creating an account, and then I will show you shortly the big picture of how AI Flow Chat works. From there, I will take you to how to train the chat on writing viral tweets and so on. Lastly, we will talk about the pricing plan of AI Flow Chat. By the way, if you haven't signed up for AI Flow Chat yet, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Now, let's start with the video. Once you sign up in AI Flow Chat, you can see this is the dashboard of it. And basically what I suggest you is firstly walk through 1 and walk through 2, so you can get an additional like 500 or 1000 credits on top of your credits. You can see here, when we click here, we can see current credits I have left and how many credits you will have. And then you can create here by clicking new flow or clicking this one to start a new flow. In this case, you can see this looks like this, but I will delete this one because I want to show you how we're gonna create the specific whiteboard for to train the AI chat to write viral tweets so we can grow on X. So what we need to do is basically go ahead on Twitter and find someone you think it has your writing style and that you could model after. So never ever do copy just exact same thing and repost. That will never work. You need to find your unique spin and to tweak it a little bit. But what you can do is basically go ahead and see what works, you know. Look, you can see the top post. I'm very interested in entrepreneurship, so I take Alex Hormozi as an example here. What you can do then is you have two options. You can make a screenshot of his most popular tweets, okay, that got the most impression, most likes, or you can go ahead and copy like this. But I would suggest you to make a screenshot of the most popular tweets. Let me show you how to do that shortly, and we will paste it in here. So we can go write this, and I will make screenshot of like this, and then all you need to do is just drag and drop it. So we will make sure that we can put as much information as we can from the guys we follow and we want to model after their success. And basically each tweet we then tweet to get a maximum exposure. Okay, so you can see here 19,000 likes. For the world will reward you in proportion to your courage, not your intellect. Very, very, yeah, a good quote here. It's often our enemies grow us more than our friends. I couldn't agree more on that. So we're gonna screenshot that as well. Okay. This is how we just put in information to train the model, and then we're gonna maybe go here to 3K. And then let's see if we can find even more. This one is good as well. You can see here. The more we can provide the AI, the more we can train it with different data, the better we will get results. So remember that. So you can as well go ahead and find other people that are same as Alex Hormozi or same as your competitor, and therefore you have even better chances to make better virals. And basically when we do this, let me just show you, we have now 1 2 3 4 5 6 tweets, something like that. Let's go in here. Sorry, you can basically make them smaller or bigger by like this, and then we can tweak it around. We can even yeah. So and now we're gonna take all of them like you can see here, and we will click the right mouse click and create a group. So within this chat, we're gonna create a group, and we're gonna call this group Alex Hormozi's viral tweets. Okay. So now this group has Alex Hormozi's viral tweets and his style of writing. This is very important. So when we can move that to the side, move a little bit, zoom out. So now this is not enough to write viral tweets. Why? Because we need to train the chat. And when I say train the chat, I mean this chat where I put the chat in here and I connect the data you can see here to the chat. So this chat now has the knowledge of Alex Hormozi viral tweets. But like I said, this won't be enough to blow up on Twitter. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to YouTube and type in Twitter growth. And then we're gonna go to filter, and after filter, we're gonna choose this year. So we got the newest updates on how small Twitter accounts can grow on Twitter X, and hacks you can use, and so on. But before, I would just, for this example purpose, I will copy them straight inside and paste them straight inside the board by doing share and copy. But I suggest you, before you do that, to shortly either watch the video, or let me show you when you put in the videos like this, 5 hacks that make Twitter growth easy. So let's just put in here everything that we can find about Twitter growth. You can see here, and then this one is 2 months ago. I solved the new Axe algorithm. Here's how to grow. Okay, this could be potential good information. Yeah, the funny part is you don't even need to watch those videos, and I will tell you why. Because you can get the information in a button click. And let me go here, and then you can see here one more. I think this should do, yeah, this from 0 to 10K followers. And I cracked the new algorithm. We can put in here, and I cracked the new algorithm. Okay, like this. We're gonna paste this in here. So once we did that and we pasted everything in here, we will as well make a group like I showed you before, or you can drag and drop a group, make a bigger window, and then just take them and drag and drop the files, the YouTube videos, into this group. Okay, I like the other method more because it's more precise, but anyways, that's how you do it. So you basically have the knowledge now in this group, so you can connect this to a different chat if you wish so, or you can connect it to the same chat. Okay, and basically one chat can be basically you can click new chat, and you can rename that chat here to Twitter X algorithm knowledge, for example, just an example, and then you can click save here. Now this is a chat about the algorithm, but to find out what you need, and this is from Alex Hormozi, so we can take a new chat and we can write here Alex Hormozi tweets, Alex Hormozi style, Alex Hormozi tweets. You can see like this, save. So we can open two chats to not be confused when we chat with different things. So now we trained it on Alex Hormozi's writing style, and we trained the AI chat model on the newest YouTube videos about Twitter growth. Sometimes I need to say honestly that it takes sometimes for the YouTube videos to load in here and to fully be loaded. But yeah, it is what it is. Sometimes the longer the video is, the longer it takes to transcribe them and to get the information from. Next, we're gonna do one more thing. We're gonna write in how to write viral tweets. We're gonna train this on writing viral tweets. So exact same thing. We take this video. I trained AI to write 30 viral tweets, build an audience faster. Yeah, it's kind of not something that I would click on, but I studied 1,000 Twitter X hooks. Okay, this is about how to write hooks, great Twitter hooks. So we're gonna use that knowledge, and we're gonna put it in here. You can see, and then let's go one more. Now transform. Reveals how to write viral tweets fast. Something you. Well, let me go here. Maybe we can get some information about that too. But anyways, only 1 hour. That should be actually enough, I guess. Maybe find viral tweets ideas. Yeah, this could be an interesting one. Just fill it with as much information as you can, so we can train the model with this group. So let me go and make it a bit bigger. Put this video inside this group. Put this video inside this group. Then we have everything connected. But like you can see, sometimes it just takes a bit longer. How do you know if the video is successfully imported? Like you can see here, it appears like a video file. You can see the thumbnail, and if it's loading like this, you know it's not properly loaded. So what you can do, instead of like going here and if that doesn't work out, okay, what you can do is open a window, open these things here, okay, like this and this and this, okay. Then if that's the case that it doesn't load, you can click the description, and on the bottom you can see show transcript, and then you can go here, copy transcript. And this is from vidIQ, I think, so you can install the vidIQ Chrome extension. So you can easily just click copy transcript, and then you can go back and just paste in the transcript of it instead of the video file, if the video file didn't load. And I think that way
if you're
you even save a little bit on credits because you transcribed it yourself, the video. So this is how you do it. Go here, copy transcript from here, then go in here, paste it in there, and you repeat the process with the other videos as well. So now the transcripts here are done and pasted in. So the model is basically trained now to get all the information we need from this group, and we can name this group basically how to write viral tweets / hooks and get ideas. For example, just you can even short it. It depends how you want it. So now this should be enough to basically train the model AI chat to write us viral tweets. And this is how we're gonna proceed with it. So we can go firstly to see what's in this group here and what the pattern it can find. But when you click here, you can choose from different AI models. You can see when we take Claude Sonnet, it will take us 55 credits, more than if we use GPT-5. So I would mostly use Claude Sonnet if I need to basically write huge blogs or something like that like really quality writing. So I would use that, but in this case GPT-5 would do the job very well. So we can do now is ask the chat, can you tell me what patterns you see from the, and then you can take the name of this group here. Let me go here, copy this group name, patterns from the, here you can see this group, grow on Twitter. So you can see now I just asked it from this group. So Alex Hormozi is not even a thing here. Just ask it now in this chat, and when we go with that knowledge, we will know now everything. So let's go in here and see what works. You can see, first of all, write for a niche, not everyone. I totally agree with it. So this is from, you can as well say, before you execute this prompt, you can say always include each source from where you get that information. So you know, okay, he used this source for this information. If you want to go and exactly know from which information he pulled it, the ChatGPT pulled the information. So write for niche. From the video, Grok X is moving to interest-based recommendation. Sim clusters, communication, MBA, Twitter, money, Twitter, and so on. Best results come from 1 to 3 hyper-specific topics. So that's the pattern. Pick a very clear lane and stay there most of the time. The algorithm and humans start to recognize you as the person for X. So apply to Hormozi. Most of his tweets are about, you can tell, entrepreneurship, discipline, and personal responsibility. How to use it, you can see I write for about using WhatAngel. I write for indie devs about hitting 10K monthly recurring revenue using simple systems. So this is like the, I think he is calling the like about you part. Hooks that stop the scroll. Almost all the resources hammer this. If the first line isn't strong, nothing else matters. Common winning hook. Hook types from the group. Like you can see, big promises, results, milestones. In 90 days, I gained over 90 million views. I gained over 40k followers on Twitter, growing from 0 to 10k and so on. We have the second one, direct benefit, or what to do when. What to do when you're not sure what to do. Okay, if you're struggling to grow on X, you're probably following outdated advice. Makes totally sense. Like if you are struggling, you're probably doing something wrong, right? You can go here to Alex Hormozi tweets. Now you can basically execute this in a way like, can you give me an example, a unique example of 5 tweets that Alex Hormozi could write in the future. You can see now it's straight on how to write, so you can see Most people don't have shiny object syndrome, they have boring life syndrome. Wow. If your core game is so dull that every new thing looks better, the problem isn't distraction. Is that you haven't decided what you're willing to be bored for 10 years doing? It seems like Alex Ramosi is writing this totally, because I follow his tweets. And then you can see high income skills is overrated. High income character is what wins. Yeah, I totally agree. Show open when no one's watching. Keep promises when no one's checking. Tell the ugly truth when lying is cheaper. Skills make you money once. Character lets you keep it. This is beautiful. So yeah, you can see this is an example. You can do it that way, or you can use the prompts to execute. Let me show you this. You can use this prompt field. You can drag and drop it like this, or you can just output and then click prompt. So you can execute prompt. You can take it from the Alex Ramosi group and the from group who has all the knowledge about how to write hooks and how to go viral on Twitter. Then you can write the prompt as well like this. Let me show you. You can say here execute, and then you can collect it as well, sorry, to a text field. Bam, you can see here, and then you can say like this. It's basically similar to the chat, just more in like separate like sections. Like now you can prompt and say write me 10 killer hooks in Alex Hormozi style. Killer hooks slash tweets in Alex Hormozi style, but include the knowledge from this group. Okay, you can see. But actually, it will always use this group. But if I tell it even one more time, it will make 100% sure to always calculate in this group no matter what to execute this particular prompt. Run all from here. So it will take from this pool or group, it will take from this pool of group the knowledge, it will then execute this prompt, and then it will automatically spit me out most viral tweets, possible tweets that can go viral in Alex Ramosi style, including the good hooks. So you can see absolutely here are 10 killer hooks tweets in the style of a turn of Alex Ramosi, directly addressed how to write viral tweets, killer hooks, and get content ideas. So you can go here. For example, if you can't grab attention in 2 seconds, your ideas die in the timeline graveyard. Wow, this is amazing. This is crazy. I will use that myself. How to write killer hooks, steal from what already works, remix and serve it 10 times better. You can see. So, how to get endless viral tweet inspiration. Swipe top creators' best posts and put your unique twist on them. Simple, relentless, effective. So, but what I see here, for example, he's talking about writing viral tweets. And this is something I don't think is good because the prompt wasn't executed perfectly. Write me 10 killer hooks, tweets in Alex Ramosi style, but include how to write. Yeah, he didn't understand this part correctly. And he thought like I should include viral tweets as the topic itself. That was the part. Let's just delete that and do that one more time. So you can see like delete. Now it will spit out better like results. Now we have it. Most people fail not because they're lazy, but because they follow advices from people who never actually built anything. Wow, this is Alex Ramosi, the best it can be. If you're not willing to look stupid for 5 years, you'll remain average for life. How crazy. This is like entrepreneurish as it can get. The world doesn't pay you for effort, it pays you for outcomes. Focus on results, not activity. Couldn't agree more. Let's see one more here. The last one, you don't need more motivation, you need fewer excuses. Perfect. Most will quit when it gets hard. The 1% no, easy isn't profitable. Wow. And then all you need to do is take this, click post, bam, post this, and just click post. As easy as that. You can see it's posted. And then you can try to be like consistent for the next few months. Nothing comes overnight. I would say post at least 2, max 3 posts a day, like in 2 or 3 hour span. But I'm not a pro here. You can as well ask again, when you don't know something, you just ask this chat here, how many tweets per day should I start with, and any other growth techniques that I need to know, and then bam, you put in here, and it's not thinking. So you can see post volume 3 times a day is great baseline. You can see once that feels easy and you're getting traction, you can push 5 to 8 days if you want to grow faster, but never at the cost of the quality. So you can see comments. Comment are your distribution engine when you're small. Aim for 25 to 50 comments per day. You can see here on bigger accounts in your niche, similar size accounts, 1/3, and you can see how it's basically split and what you need to watch out for. And then core growth techniques you should know. Build a clear lane. Growth is easy when people instantly know what you're about. So yeah, niche it down. Decide who you help to, what you help them get, and how. This should be your bio, with most tweets should reflect that. So you can as well then go ahead and say to the AI to write you basically the bio line that you need. But you can see here everything. Use media for extracted reach. Nail your profile, and then you can say write me a profile that executes exactly this in my niche, and then what your niche is about. You just paste in your niche. That as easy as that. Now shortly to the plan, you can see you can use the basic one I'm currently on, but I will for sure upgrade to the $100 a month, because I use it on a daily basis, and for me I just need a little bit more credits per month. Okay, so you can see how powerful this is to train the AI, and you will use it for anything related to Twitter growth. And if you need something outside Twitter growth, you can use it for other stuff too. But I strongly suggest you as well to use the annual plan, because you can see the difference between 30, you can get it just for $21, the basic annual plan, and the monthly one you can get for $70 a month. So yeah, I will strongly suggest, if you want to take it seriously, to take the annual plan. So if you like this video, feel free to use our affiliate link to sign up and also to support our channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.